In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit comments in Microsoft Planner. If you're working in Planner and need to update information inside a task, this is a very quick process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the task and edit the note so your updates are saved in the right place. This is useful when you want to clarify details, correct older information, or keep your team aligned with the latest task updates. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan where your task is located. From the board view, find the task you want to update and click directly on it. This opens the Task Details panel where you can review everything connected to that item, such as due dates, assignments, descriptions, and notes. If you have a lot of tasks on your board, it can help to pause for a moment and make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once the task is open, look for the note area inside the task details. This is the section you'll edit. Click into the note field and make the changes you need. You can update wording, remove outdated details, or add new context that helps explain the task more clearly. As you edit, try to keep the note concise and easy for others to understand, especially if multiple people are collaborating on the same plan. One helpful tip here is to read through the existing note before changing anything. That way, you can avoid deleting important context and make sure your update fits smoothly with the rest of the information already there. If the note contains instructions or status details, it's a good idea to phrase your edit clearly so anyone that opening the task later can immediately understand what changed. After you finish editing the note, Planner typically saves your changes automatically, so there's usually no separate save button to worry about. Still, it's worth taking a quick look after you click away from the field just to confirm that your updated text remains visible. That simple check can help you avoid confusion later. And that's all there is to it. To edit comments in Microsoft Planner, just open the task and update the note field in the Task Details panel. It's a simple way to keep task information accurate and current without creating unnecessary extra messages or confusion for your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.